All right, everyone, it's time for another, and now for something horrible. This popped up in my mind yesterday, so I wanted to bring it up for those of you who hadn't heard of it. So we all know what ticks are, especially if you live in any sort of rural area or area with patchy forests or patchy long grass areas. Ticks are horrible. They transmit all sorts of horrible, possibly deadly diseases like Lyme disease and tularemia, ehrlichiosis, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and a bunch of other stuff. But what many people haven't heard of is alpha-gal syndrome, which is an allergic reaction caused from a bite of a Lone Star tick. And this alpha-gal syndrome makes you possibly permanently allergic to all red meat. So this is generally transmitted by the Lone Star tick, which you can see the range of the Lone Star tick here in yellow. This is Amblyomma americanum. It is everywhere on the eastern half of the United States. This is super common to get if you go hiking in any sort of grassy area or densely tree populated area, because this feeds on things like deer and dogs and all sorts of mammals. But the allergy isn't caused by a pathogen like you would think about ehrlichiosis or Rocky Mountain spotted fever or anything like this. It's actually an allergic reaction to a protein found in the saliva of the tick. And this allergy then causes your own body to become allergic to sugars found in mammalian meat. So this would be pork and beef, and other, not so common meats like horse and donkey and anything like that. The only mammalian meat that you're not allergic to is primate meat, because otherwise you would be allergic to yourself and die immediately. So you can still technically be a cannibal, I suppose. But this is a growing issue because of the prevalence of ticks. I've met several people, several entomologists who are suffering from this condition. The allergy will cause you to go into anaphylactic shock if you consume beef or pork. And you can see, you've probably seen this tick before. This is the Lone Star tick. This is from the Mayo Clinic. These ticks have this very distinctive white spot on their back. You've probably seen these. If you are an outdoorsy person at all, you've probably had these on you. They're extremely common. So now that you know about this, you can be afraid of ticks even more than you were before. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.